There are so many people out there that want to build online businesses. The problem is they're lacking some of the skills that they need. This is where you can come in. If you can solve those problems, you can make really good money freelancing and helping those online entrepreneurs build their businesses. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten with Six Figure Business Coaching, and we help people just like you start and build successful businesses. Whether that's freelancing or social media management, we're here to help you. And today I'm going to talk about an industry that's booming, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of that industry. E-learning is the future. Marketing research firm Global Industry Analysis projected e-learning would reach $107 billion in 2015, and it did. Now research marketers' forecasts show triple the revenue of 2015. E-learning will grow to be a $325 billion industry by 2025. So there are a lot of people out there that have amazing knowledge and they want to create courses. The problem is they're not familiar with the software that they need to store the courses on, and that's where you can come in. Software like Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, and ClickFunnels. So if you master one of these different softwares, you can offer your skill set to many people out there who, again, they're knowledgeable, they want to create courses, but they just don't have the technical skill to put their membership sites and their courses online. So that's something I would definitely look into if I were you. Now that the course is created and housed in the proper software, it needs to be marketed. And this is where sales funnels come in. Again, you can solve a problem if you can help people build their sales funnels. Some of the main software players in that industry are Leadpages, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, and Kartra. So if you're interested in building sales funnels, if that's something that you think you would like to do, I am always seeing people online asking for help with their sales funnels. When people need a service and it's in high demand, you can charge more. So in the comments below, let me know, can you see yourself becoming a funnel builder? So now the course is up and running and the sales funnel has been built. The next step is driving traffic. And this is where paid advertising comes in. There are Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest, TikTok, and LinkedIn ads. You don't have to be an expert in all of these. If you can master one of these, you can build a very successful business. People want to advertise on YouTube and on Facebook, but they just don't know how. And I can understand that. We've run a lot of our own Facebook ads, and it can be quite tedious. You know, you're running the ads for a few days, and then you have to change one little thing and run the ads again, and you're doing A/B testing. There's a lot to it. So if you can master any of those platforms or a couple of those platforms, your services would be in high demand. So as you can see in this video, I talked about one online industry, course creation and e-learning. And I pointed out 3 different ways that you could position yourself to provide a service that is in high demand. This will allow you to build a very successful business by becoming an expert in what you do. If none of these ideas were ideal for you, make sure to check the description below. We will have a guide down there on profitable services that you can offer. So just click the link and there's a whole list and we go into detail about those services and what you can charge for them. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. And if you liked our content, please give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share our content. Until I see you in the next video, dream big.